Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's the first session of chapter number 10. And the name of our chapter number 10 is Play with Patterns. Now, in this session, we are just revise and take the knowledge what is the patterns, how it is formed, how many types of patterns, that we have to study only today. So first, that is the introduction part. Second, why the needs of patterns, and after that, in the last, we see the types of patterns. So let us start with the previous introduction. Patterns are all around us. If you see and look around you, then you can see in many different objects, in many different things, patterns are there. Where you can see the patterns, that the cloth you wear, to the repeating patterns is found in the nature and everyday routine. You see, there are many different patterns in the cloth that you or your friend, your parents, your sister, your brother is wear. In that you can see there are the different patterns. Now in nature you can see the different patterns also. Changing in season, then changing in month, changing in day. These all are the different types of patterns. In changing the time, frequently after the some time, that time should be repeat, that season should be repeat, that date and day should be repeat. So these all are known as patterns. In everyday your routine you can see that there is a patterns. So make a list where you can see the different types of patterns. A pattern is only a pattern if it is repeated twice, or we can say that it is a repeated. In any of the things you can see any design, then you are not supposed to say that that is a pattern. If you see that that pattern is repeatedly, frequently or repeated twicely, then and then that is known as pattern. If it is comes only in a one time, then it is not known as pattern. So there are the different types of pattern, such as number pattern, image pattern, logic pattern, and word pattern, etc. So here you can see that there are the different types of patterns. Which are that type of the patterns? If you want to see the patterns, then you can see in a number pattern. That in a mathematically, if you already studied about the skipping, skip by twos, skip by fives, skip by tens, skip by hundreds, you already studied. So these all are the one type of pattern. After that you can see that patterns in the images also. Then after, some patterns are that type of patterns that in that you have to use your logic. You have to use your mind. And the last pattern, that is known as word pattern. In a word pattern they were given some words regarding that and you have to solve it. So this type of things is known as word patterns. Why? What is the needs of patterns? Finding and understanding the patterns give us the great power. If you are find out, if you are understanding which patterns are there, how it is formed, then the power of your mind is going to be increased. With the patterns, we can learn to predict the future, discover the new things, and better understand the world around us. If you learn that, if you understand that, if you are finding the rule, then sometimes you can predict the future. It's related only to and only of the patterns. To predicate the future, you can use to solve the puzzles. Now, after that, you can discover the new things also, and you better understand that the world around us. And playing with patterns is sometimes fun also. If you solve that puzzle, if you solve that pattern, then you are feeling very happy. So that is also known as one type of fun. Always patterns are repeating, it's a repeat, or either it's a increase or decrease, or either it's a multiply or divide. That already we discussed that if the patterns are repeating twicely or thricely, then and then it becomes the pattern. If that shape, if that number comes only one time, then it is not says that this is the pattern. Either it's a repeat, either it's a increase, either it's a decrease, either it's a multiply, or either it's a divide. So let us start. Simple patterns. Here you have to see the simple patterns in colors. See here, I am giving one circle and the color of this circle is sky blue. After that, the size of this circle is same, but the color is different. So, blue, green. After that, again blue and again green. So, you have to understand and find out. Here you can see that the circles are coming with the different color. First, if it is blue, then green, then blue, green. Now what about the next? Now which circles are coming in these three next box? So here it is last green. So again blue is coming. After that blue, green, and again it is blue. So this is your simple pattern. In this pattern you can see that here the shape of this sequence is same, but only the color is different. See in the next one. Our next pattern is here one smiley with the light pink, then it comes with light yellow, then again it's a light yellow, and then again it's a pink. So you just think that one time it comes with light pink and twice it is light yellow. Now what about the next three? So see here, pink two times yellow. After that again it is a pink. Then whose turn? Yes, it's a light yellow. You can see that here. Then again it is a light yellow. and in the last it comes with light pink. So you can see here, this is the pattern. One time it comes with light pink, after that two times yellow. Then again it is a pink, then two times yellow, and in the last it is a light pink color. See the next pattern. That pattern we have to see in the shape. See here the first shape, that is the triangle, then another shape, that is the L, then triangle, L. Now what about the other three things? So see here, triangle L. These are the sequence. So after L, what is whose turn? Triangle. After that, L. Then again it is a triangle. So this is the pattern in the shape. Let us see another one pattern. Here the sign of plus. After that plus, then minus, 2 times plus, then minus. So again here it is plus. So now what about next three? So first you have to observe this pattern. Here you can see that the sign of plus coming twice, and after that the sign of subtraction is coming. So one time plus is given. So after that again plus. So here you can see that two times of plus are coming. Now whose turn? Minus. So here the sign of minus. And after that now whose turn? Plus sign. So this is known as the patterns in shape. Here in this pattern the shapes are changed. In our previous the colors are changed. Now let us study the patterns in number. Simple patterns in number. See here number 1, then the next number is 3, the next number is 5, then 7. So see here which rule we have to apply. Here 1, 3, 5, 7. These all numbers are odd numbers. So after that 7, which is the next odd number? That is the 9. After that 11. Or you can see that here, you just see here all the numbers are increased by 2. If you add 2 in 1, then 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, and 11 plus 2 it's a 13. So these are the numbers pattern. Let us see the next one. Here the first number is 90, then after 80, 70 and 60. Here you can see that this number is decreasing and decreasing by 10. 90, 80, 70, 60. Now 50, after that again minus 10. 50 minus 10, 40, and again the 40 minus 10. It becomes 30. So this is the number pattern. Now your next one, number 12, then 24, 36, 48. Now you can see here they were given the table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48. Now whose turn? 12 fives are. 12 fives are 60. Then 12 sixes are 72.
and 12 sevens are 84. This type of patterns is known as the patterns in number. Let us discuss the next one. Here the simple pattern, but here we have to study the patterns in one box whole. This type of patterns you can see that in the sari or dupatta or any other types of clothes. You can see this type of patterns. See here it is one circle and around that circle it's a triangle. So it looks like a sun. Then sun, then after it is a star. After that again the sun, then star. So you can see that here these all in this they were given only two shapes and these two shapes continuously change. Sun, star, sun, star. Then again whose turn? Sun and star. Now see in the second one. Here the first they were given the sun. So second time in the second line they were given star. Then sun. Now whose turn again? Star. Then sun. Again star, sun. Now in the second line start with star. So third line start with sun. Sun, star, again sun, star, again sun and star. So this type of patterns you can see in the different types of cloth in the different place. Let us discuss the next pattern. Now you can see here I am giving one star to you. So you can see here these are the different the shapes are same but the position is far away from each other. Now you can see this second star. In the second line the first star that is lies between above two stars. So here you can see this type of patterns. It is not necessary that all the patterns lies on the same side. It comes like this also. So this type of things is also known as the patterns. So here you can see that this is the group of 5 stars. Sometimes it may be a 4 star also. So this is known as patterns. Pattern means what? You have to make designs. Now here you can see that this arrow shows upwards, upside. Then again it is upside. Then it comes the downside. Now upside and upside. Again it's a downside. So see here, you can see that arrows shows 2 times up and 1 time down. Now whose turn? Upwards. Then again upwards. And then it shows downwards. Now see here, arrow shows right hand side. The second arrow shows left hand side. So again arrow shows left hand side, then right hand side, and then again it's a left hand side. So this is known as patterns. Now again see in the third one, arrow shows downwards, again downwards, upwards. So 2 times downwards and 1 time upwards. So 2 times again downwards and 1 time upwards. Again
downwards and upwards. This is the pattern. Now in the fourth one you see that arrow shows left hand side, then right hand side. Again it's a left hand side, right hand side. And then again it shows left hand side. Thank you. I hope you understand this all the patterns and you enjoy it. Thank you.